Welcome back to the Web Dev Learning Path. Until now, you have learnt the core 3 languages of website development, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And for this task, you need to learn to adopt technologies that assist with website development. The tools in this task can be applied to basic or traditional websites by adding a link, or later by adding packages to your project. First of all, CSS styling frameworks. Styling frameworks can help you to style your websites more efficiently, and some popular styling frameworks include Bootstrap, Tailwind, and Material. There will be a link in the description for each of these. Next, we have web component libraries. Shoelace is one example. So they are pre-styled components which are easily customizable. You can just select your element, add your tags, and adjust the styles. Then you have animation libraries. So GSAP or GreenSox is a popular one. For example, here you will add the script code, follow the instructions, and then add preset animations to your project. For GSAP, they have sample code with simple documents. So you check out the methods and then test them out. And then you can add third-party features to your website. So for example, a free contact form or a chat service. So you can search for free services, not templates, and then learn how to integrate them into your site. All of these tools can speed up and simplify the web development process for your projects. And now we have a couple of simple tasks for you to implement these tools. So task 1, add notes to your reference site. So you'll include how to add the frameworks, how to use them, and maybe the pros and cons of using them, and also error logs. And remember that documentation is an important aspect of coding. It is important that when using any new software, you have the documentation to easily repeat any process. And just as important is noting the errors, noting why things don't work so you can prevent the same error again. Task 2, style 2 sites for your portfolio. You have previously styled 3 sites for your portfolio. On one of those sites, add a page using Bootstrap or Tailwind. And on another site, add a page using Shoelace components and GSAP. And task 3, add a contact form or chat service to one of your sites. So set it up and test, make sure it works. Okay, so enjoy using styling frameworks and component libraries and animations. And if you find any great third-party features, please share them in the comments. Thanks for watching.